This Real Estate Advantage property video is presented by Amy Garris. Partially updated 4-bedroom/1 bathroom fixer-upper located within walking distance to downtown and McCree Point Park on the Chautauqua Lake Outlet. At just over 1,900 square feet, this spacious early 1900s home has newly installed laminate flooring and carpet in some of the rooms, and the original hardwood floors can be found in other rooms, waiting to be restored to their original beauty, along with the stunning solid wood staircase. A few additional updates to note are: new kitchen cabinets, counters, bathroom vanity, tub, toilet, multiple glass block windows and modern light fixtures, partially fenced rear yard and renovated front porch. This property is being sold as is where is, cash-only sale, and still needs electric and plumbing updated and completed by a city-approved licensed electrician and plumber. The current owners have done a lot of cosmetic updates, but the property is still a blank canvas waiting for a new owner's vision to complete the additional renovations and necessary repairs to occupy and enjoy the home. For more information